lightning, no thunder in my soul, baby. My heart beats for you only. Every word is true. I'm in love with you. Take you as you are, lady. You ain't gotta change for me. Need you from your crown, honey, right down to the sole of your very feet. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Please don't hurt me just because you know I'll forgive. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Please don't hurt me just because you know I'll. Hold me until we die, weather together the storms of life. Won't always be sunshine, baby, we're blends of imperfection. Oh, oh, give me your heart and soul, love me like you've never loved before. Beautiful morning dew, I'll be a shoulder to cry on to. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Don't hurt me just because you know I'll forgive. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Don't hurt me just because you know I'll forgive. Steve, stop it. Stir it up, stop it up, You ain't gotta worry about a thing, girl. Laughing every time you let me in, girl. I know you've been waiting for a king, girl. Oh, wait no more. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Don't hurt me just because you know I'll forgive. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Don't hurt me just because you know As the years go by, we get older and we experience, we get wiser, and our love burns bright like a fire. I'll make my soul explode with desire. I go crazy without your love. Oh, how could I go on? You're my favorite child, and your love feels warm in the winter. Oh, I've never felt what I feel with you. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Don't hurt me just because you know. Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby. Please don't hurt me just because you know I'll forgive.
Yes. Beloved. Morning, everyone. Big tune, big sound. This is Mortimer, by the way. I have to be respectful. You show the man big. Good to see you. Who's Mortimer? Who is Mortimer? Tell me about Mortimer.
Tell you about Mortimer.
Yeah. tell me a little bit about Mortimer. Who is Mortimer?
Mortimer is a vessel, you know, that seeks to be filled. You know, so him can outpour some positive vibes on the people.
Why are you doing this?
Why?
Why are you doing this? I suspect you could have done other things in your life. Why you chose?
A raw love that I can't control, none at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't stop the burning, you know. Yeah.
I love this raspy sound that you have. And in preparing for this, I read how you like Bob Marley, which I can understand, and Jacob Miller I can understand.
Yeah.
John Legend I can understand. Donny Hathaway kind of surprised me.
Oh, yeah?
How Donny Hathaway dropping the lyrics?
Well, when I was at Edna, Michael Harris used to teach me vocal. And he introduced me to Donny Hathaway, as a matter of fact. You know, the first time I heard his music, I was like, wow, this thing is nice, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so it was the first time. I mean, I knew of people like Bobby Womack before
Yeah,
that,
man.
you know,
Man.
which I like, you know.
Very hippie.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
But, you know, Donny Hathaway.
Surprised I well, I word
Soul.
Never know that. Careful, selected by Apple Music Editors for the Best of 2018 playlist. That must have been a big fillip for you. That must have been great.
It was a joy, you know. I appreciate every step
Did
of
that
the way.
surprise you?
Yeah, it did, actually, you know what I mean? Because, you know, when you're making music, you don't really make it and think about, like, you know, these things that are, you just make the music and put your heart in it and, you know, hope that all will be well.
It is, I think saturated could be a good word. There's plenty artists out there. I remember asking a big artist if you go to your way to have your personal little sound, you don't want to sound like anybody if you're unique. And his response was, unique is overrated. It's almost like him say, him don't have a problem if him sound like somebody else.
Yeah.
You sound like anybody, or you go to your way to ensure that you sound like Mortimer. And you sound like Mortimer, I know that. But
Yeah. You don't know, like, we listen to all kinds of music and we're influenced by all kinds of things, you know, musically, life experience-wise, you know. It's some more time where you feel inside influence how you sound too. You know what I mean? I try to focus on that. And, you know, naturally, things that influence me, you know, and things that I like. Yeah, so I'm to become a part of who I am, and you know,
Has anything else in this journey surprised you? Are you surprised that where you are and the sound that the band gave? Why that is sweet or whatever? No, I'm serious. All the hand section, man, they look like them last everything I said so. But it's a really good sound. Anything else in the journey surprise you?
You're not surprised. It's more, I don't know if it's surprise is the word, but, you know, there are a lot of things that have been happening that I'm grateful for, you know, so.
So you are where you want to be?
Yeah, you know,
we'll
grow as we go, you know.
And this is it? You're not backing away from this?
Man.
This is it?
I want to do this till I'm old.
Yeah. What's next? What's next? What's coming up? I think you have an EP.
An EP
that you will
coming
launch
out
pretty soon?
Yeah, on the 15th.
Of this month?
Yeah, it's already up for pre-order.
Which is what, Friday?
Friday coming,
right.
Yeah. It's already up for pre-order, you know. It was produced by Winter James, Overstand, you know.
How many tracks?
6 tracks.
And the collabs?
And the EP is called Fight the Fight, no collabs.
You write everything?
Yeah, and with my virgin Winter too, you know. Yeah, man.
Well, I'm gonna look like him can't write nothing.
Really?
Tease me and tease him. Tease me and tease him. Tease me and tease him. All right. Where do you perform next? Locally, overseas? That maybe someone who see you this morning kind of want to check you out again?
Well, I know I have Daytime Live Friday. I'll be on Daytime Live Friday too. I have New Wave next week, Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah, is where that again, Winter?
You know. One of me ask.
But yeah, New Wave, you know. But you know, follow us on social media and thing, you know.
And the handle
and everybody will get the updates and thing.
Mortimer?
Mortimer.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bridging and Bridging, fantastic sound. Fantastic sound. Great to have you with us this morning.
No problem.
I feel like we're here at least one more before you go down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fight the fight.
But I love that one there again. I like that one there. Turn it up a little bit as we go to the break now. Turn it up a little bit.